For part 9, we are trying to represent the equation S equals quantity A times B plus quantity C times D. So to do this, because of our limitation on the number of switches, we're going to be sharing switches for some of the variables. So switches 15 through 8 are going to represent both A and C. Switches 7 through 0 are going to represent both B and D. So we'll see here, the first thing we're going to need is this key 0 is going to be our reset. Key 1 will be our manual clock. We're going to be determining with switch 16 whether we're doing A and C or B and D. So if this is low, then this will be A and this will be B. If this is high, then this will be C and this will be D. Switch 17 is going to be our write enable. So when this is up, when we hit key 1, we're going to actually send those values to the registers. So we're going to start with something simple. We're going to do switch 8 up and switch 0 up. So this should be A as a value of 1 and B as a value of 1. You'll see nothing happens when we push it here, but once we put our write enable up, we push this button, 1 and 1. So right now we're doing 1 times 1 plus 0 times 0, and this is our S value. So now we're going to put this low, our write enable. We're going to leave it as 1 and 1, but we're going to toggle switch 16. So you see now it's currently displaying the values for C and D. Now we're going to put our write enable back up. We're going to hit the clock input. And so now we're going to have 1 and 1 for C and D. And we'll see this value is now 2 because A and B remember they're 1 and C and D are now also 1. So we have 1 times 1 plus 1 times 1. Just to show you a bit more of an intricate example, if we go back to our A and B value, we're going to do that up and that up. So we're going to put the write enable up, and we will see now we have 5 times 5 plus 1 times 1, which gives us 1A.